Guys, today's fashion review highlights a look that feels confident, graceful, and incredibly well coordinated. The outfit creates a strong first impression through its elegant simplicity. The fit appears comfortable while maintaining a polished and stylish appearance. Friends, one of the best things about this look is how natural and effortless it feels. The fabric seems soft and lightweight, making it ideal for comfortable daily wear. The overall design is refined without relying on flashy details. Every part of the outfit contributes to a clean and sophisticated presentation. Guys, this is the kind of fashion that remains appealing year after year. The color combination works beautifully and adds a touch of timeless charm. The silhouette looks balanced and flattering from every angle. Friends, great style often comes from confidence, and this outfit supports that perfectly. The material appears to move naturally, giving the look a graceful flow. Nothing feels overly complicated, which adds to its elegance. The tailoring seems thoughtful and helps create a neat overall shape. Guys, comfort and style are equally important, and this outfit appears to offer both. The design feels versatile enough for a variety of occasions. Whether worn for a casual outing or a social event, it would fit in effortlessly. Friends, the attention to detail is visible throughout the entire